Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing today? So this is a 1987, as the year I was born. Saw me? It's a 50 penny. This was before the sad euro turned up in the world. So we're going to punch a hole in it. Hope you're all doing fantastic today. Mr. Wonderful is feeling great, as usual. I love that when people say that. You know, you go somewhere or I'm on the market and someone says, "Hello, how you doing?" I say, "Well, not too good really." I said, "My house burnt down, my girlfriend left me, my dog died, someone stole my car." You know. I mean, they don't give a shit anyway, you know, so what's the point? Right. Let's go back to the old table. There's a slap on the bottom, as usual. Right. Yeah, I'm just back from town. Done a bit of the old shopping, as you do. Right, let's give it a bit of the old Christy Burr, shall we? Clean up that inside edge a bit. Nice coin, there's loads of relief on it. Right, we just want to make sure there's no cracks or splits. Clean up that side, look at it. Okie dokie. Right, let's first of all, let's pick a side. Let's pick a side. Not bad. Slightly better. Good year for wine that was, 1987. I'll never forget it. I remember it well. So we'll start off. I'll tell you what, let's go to the old diamond block. I should use this more often. And we need a ball bearing that's attached to a bloody magnet. There you go. And we'll go over. I don't like the look of that, so we'll put a smaller one in. Oh, should be over there, shouldn't I? I'm always in the wrong place. That's what the police tell me. Right. Okie dokie, that ain't too bad. So let's show a bit of love and affection with Bernie, the fire starter, wherever my light has gone to. So here we go again. Right, I still haven't filled up my cup. Mr. Organised as usual. Right, let us find a diamond block that's got some meat on it. Like that one's pretty good. Make it nice and level. Go over to Big Red. I'll give it a bit the old 1-2. One, two. That's felt like it split. Did it? No. Pretty damn. Where's Emma? Sandy's sister. There she is. Looking a bit ropey. Looks like she's had better days, or she was out last night on the lash. Oh, well, how'd your dad like this ring, Ian? Happy days, man. But if it's, you know, if he wants it slightly smaller, send it back. I'll pay for the postage. And I'll adjust it for him. If he's not 100% happy with it. Least I can do. After he sent me a couple of coins. Yeah, just a couple, mind you. Right. This is Spike. And this is a ring stretcher. And guess what he does? He stretches your ring. Right. Kitchen roll just protects the inside of the coin from losing the detail. Oh dear, I think it's going to snap. Snappity snap. Nope. They're quite good, these Finnish coins. They can take a bit of stick. As soon as I say that, this one is snapping off probably. You just want to get that bow out of it. I could give it a little bit more. In fact, I'll show it some more love. That's good, yeah. I need to fill my cup up. Fill it up, boy, fill it up. Stop mucking around. Right, now the bow is out of it. So now you just want to, everything looks wobbly on these bloody cameras. And it's not, with my beady little eye. Unless I've been on the vodka today, which I haven't. Well, I don't like shorts anyway. I never have done, even when I was a kid. Oh, kid, you know. I'm more of a beer monster, you know. And I prefer real ale than all this gas rubbish. You know, proper beer. The old-fashioned way. When I was a lad. Back in 1932, them what days. They don't know they're born today, I tell you. Aye. There you go. Straight as a die. Maybe not quite as straight as a die, but bloody no, if I'm not far off it. So, is there a lip? Yes, there is. So, Breakout, the one and only, Christy Bergen, who I used to think was French. Right, until my girlfriend said, he's not French. Sounds French, doesn't it? Christy Burr, Citron, Monsieur, Mademoiselle, all that jazz. Just cleaning up that edge, so I just cut out. Right, we'll take out that Kate. That was Kate's brother. There she is. Look at this. Right. Just want to clean up that edge. Get the fire scale off it. I better put him back in again so I can do the inside. Stupid boy. It's always one thing or another, isn't it, eh? Right, this is the Edwin look, my favourite look. That was a big sigh, wasn't it? 1987. Good year for wine. Right, let's chuck in Elton John. Give it a bit of the old Oochie Coochie Coo. I do custom work if you're looking for, you know, handmade ring, or you can contact me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. See what coins I've got. I've got a load of UK, American. And you can also send me your own coins. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. That's in the description below. You can even send me your own coins. I don't just do rings, I do other stuff. It's all in the shop. Check it out. Right. Let's see what we got. I'll have to redo this inside as well. When I've got a smaller Elton John, I have to cut them down a little bit. And we have another cleaner cloth here. Everything sticks to these cloths. It's like a fly trap, but everything else but flies. What the hell am I talking about? I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I know. Come on, Steve. Where does that come from? Oh, I know. Oh, I know. Comedy series. I know. I know. Come on, Stevie boy. Oh, have we done that one? I think we've done that one. Right, anybody else know that one? Comedy series, UK comedy series, of course. Best comedy in the world. Looks wobbly as hell, but it's not. Oh, good old cheap plastic lenses on the cameras. Right, got the old Yankee Doodle magic wand. You always measure from the reeded side of the coin because that's the thickest part of the coin. How many times I've said that over the last 10 months or however long? Yeah, 10 months I've been doing this now. I checked on my first video about 10 months ago. Just over a size 9, nearly a size 9 1/4. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Fits this ring perfectly. Thank you for your support. Thanks for hitting the like button. And may your God go with you. Catch you all tomorrow. Tell me bye-bye.